Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jay, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 Bandouliere bag. This is in Monogram Macassar. Let's get into it. So, when you buy the bag, it's going to come in this box. This box has a ribbon on it originally. I took it off, but this is basically what you get. So, let's go ahead and open this up. And when you open it up, you'll see the Louis Vuitton dust bag here, which contains the bag, of course. So let's see. Let's open this up here. Pull the bag out. You can already see it's a very, very beautiful bag. Let's lift this up. And this is what you get. So the bag's presented very beautifully here. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have it set up. So this is the Keepall 45 bag. And 45 basically means it's 45 centimeters from this end to this end. And that's important because you can use this bag for carry-on, obviously, but you can also use it for a bunch of different other reasons. You can use it as a gym bag, a weekend bag, everyday bag. It's very versatile. And again, this is the Monogram Macassar, so that means you're going to get this monogram pattern going across the bag, which I think is just beautiful, along this canvas here. And this is coated canvas, which I believe is coated with PVC, which makes it more resistant against water, scratches, overall wear and tear. Up at the top, you have your leather handles, which feel great. You have your Louis Vuitton locks, engraved LV in the front. Also engraved on the zipper. Now I believe this lock is more it's more decorative than functional. It's still a really nice touch. Here you have your tag, which folks also engraved this with their initials. I left mine blank, but you can engrave it as you see fit. Leather trim going down on both sides. Very nice. Up top you have your zippers. From what I understand, Louis Vuitton is known for having exceptional zippers. So I expect these to last for the life of the bag, for sure. Let's open it up. On the inside, there's a section where you can put discrete materials. So you can put documents, passports, anything you like here. Hard to see, but you have a liner on the inside. And it's basically one big compartment, guys. There's just a lot of space here. And on the inside you have just very roomy compartment. There's no organization here, so if you want to have organization even further, you would have to look at purchasing some pouches or cubes or different accessories for the bag. So again, this is the bag, and first impressions are really positive. I think it's a beautiful bag. And it's really for those who want a touch of luxury, that want that iconic fashion statement, that want something that holds value over time. And that is another thing, guys. So I purchased this bag about a year ago, and already it's gone up $100 in value. Actually, less than a year. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this one.